तं यज्ञं बर्हिः प्रोक्षं पूतं जातमग्रत तेन देवाय गन्धसाध्या ऋकयश्च ये चन्नं समर्पयामि. And devotees make a sum of Bhagavan Jaya. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 And if you have rice with you, if you don't hear some rice, take some rice and offer to Bhagavan Ji. Om Namah Shambhavaya Chanayo Bhavaya Chanamah Shankaraya Cha Mayaskaraya Chanamah Shivaya Cha Shivakaraya Cha. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And then we have take a flower now, one flower. Here's your flower. I'm trying to see it. Take a flower and put the offering on top of the lingam, right? Hari Om Namah Puriyaya Chavaayaya Cha Namah Prataranaya Chutaranaya Cha Namaskithaya Cha Puriyaya Cha Namah Shashyaya Cha Vanyaya Cha. Om Maryadini Sugandhini Mavichadini Hai Prabhu Maya Hitani Pujadam Pushpani Pratigiyadam Yakurugam Yadadhu Katidavya Kalpayanna Mukam Kimasyasi Kim Bahu Kim Urupada Ukkite Pushpani Samarpayami. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Can you have your mala? Shivaya. Namah. You have mala in your hand? What's in that bag? Namah Shivaya. What is that? Put mala on Bhagavan. Hari Om Nana Pungaja Pushpaisha Gratinam Vallavairapi Villapatra Yutam Malam Grihana Sunanohara. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Alright, take three babies. Three babies. Look right behind you. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. Do you have it?
Yeah, we have babies.
I take three of them, right? And we're going to put them upside down, right? How's upside down? Yes, you all know that, right? And then the tip, look, the tip is facing the road, right? The window that is. Yeah. Upside down, facing the window. We have? We will begin now. Hari Om Tridalam Trigunakaram Trinetram Chatrayayudham Trijanma Papa Samharam Ekabirvam Shivarpanam Trishakaihe Dilvapaytaisya Achidaihe Kumalaihe Shubhaihe Tava Pujam Karishyami Ekabirvam Shivarpanam Danti Koti Sahasrani Tila Paravata Kotayaha Kanchanam Tailadanena Ekabirvam Shivarpanam Kashi Kshetra Nivasam Jakala Bhairava Darshanam Prayage Madhavam Drishva Ekabirvam Shivarpanam Indvare Vratam Sitva Niraharo Maheshwaraha Nattam Hoshyami Devesha Ekabirvam Shivarpanam. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And then we have Gurva, the grass. And they bring some for you. And just take one or two pieces, whatever you have here, and offer that on top of the lingam again. Hari Om Kandat Prohande Parukah Parukasminan Dure Pradanu Sahasrena Sadhena Jaduan Turan Samapayani Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Bholenath Bhagwan ki Jai. And so in this quality it says you got to give abhushan. You know what abhushan is? Anybody knows? Abhushan is gold, jewelry. You got to give jewelry to Bhagavan. So earrings, nose rings, bracelets, bangles, all of that. Yeah. So we don't have that. So that's the next one is we're going to have this Sugandhi Tel. So we have the perfume, right? Spray some for everybody. Spray the perfume on Bhagavan. Hari Om. Ahiriva Bhume Payeti Ahum Jaya Hitim Parimadhamanaha Asagno Vishwa Vayunani Vidhan Bhuman Sam Paripatu Vishwataha Om Adam Jaguharum Jaguhatum Eva Saraviranam Dodeva Dhandim Purushove Atarani Sumandani Om Namo Bhagavate Samvasara Shivaya Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Take agarbatti, everybody pass it on Bhagavan ji. Hari Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Namah Kapalnetra Yukta Dekaya Namah Sahasrakaya Satadhanvane Namo Giri Jayaya Jayaya Namo Vibhushinyaya Kesu Moteka Om Namah Shivaya Ramanosa Mukamasi Bahu Rajanyah Pitah Guru Tadasya Vaishah Patyam Sindro Adayata Dhupamagapani Bholenath Bhagwan ki Jai. Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Shiva Om Kara Hare Shiva Om Kara Jai Shiva Om Kara Hare Shiva Om Kara Brahma